Good morning and happy Thursday. Waking up to much warmer conditions this morning and things are looking nice and quiet, albeit cloudy. We are looking west along I-94 this morning and things are looking a-okay to start our Thursday. And it is still a cold one though. It is 20 below zero actual air temperature up in Baudette, Minnesota. But that is the coldest spot on the map and the only spot on the map that is below zero, well below zero. It's right at zero right now in Thief River Falls, 1 degree in Langdon, 3 in Devils Lake, 7 in Grand Forks, 7 in Detroit Lakes as well, 13 in Fargo. We are one of the warm spots and it's thanks to some cloud cover. But take a look at this. This is our 24-hour temperature change, and between now and 24 hours ago, 4:50 a.m. yesterday, we are 25 degrees warmer right now in Grand Forks than this time yesterday, 23 degrees warmer in Devils Lake and Minot, a boost of 26 degrees in Bemidji and 15 in Jamestown. However, some locations it's still cold this morning. We do have a wind chill advisory that continues until 9 o'clock this morning for extreme northern Minnesota, and as you saw, Baudette is at 20 below zero actual air temperature. So it is a chilly one up across the north, even though wind is calm in Baudette. It is picking up here in Fargo out of the southeast, sustained at 13 miles per hour, but gusting into the 20s. So one of the breeziest spots on the map as well. Easterly winds in Grand Forks at 12 miles per hour and gusting to 21 miles per hour down in Sisseton. So here's what it brings for wind chill factor. As we saw, wind is calm up in Baudette, so it still just feels like 20 below, which is frigid enough. It feels like 12 below in Hallock, 16 below in Thief River Falls, 10 below is your wind chill in Fosston, 19 below in Langdon, 8 below in Grand Forks, and 2 below here in Fargo. So still a chilly start to our day, but not nearly as frigid as yesterday. It is so cold up in Baudette this morning because they are still under clear skies and have been all night. The rest of us have had a fairly thick deck of clouds helping keep us insulated through the overnight hours and therefore warmer. Clouds are increasing up to the north and east, so I do expect temperatures to increase as well up in northern Minnesota. Your hourly planner today in Fargo, sunrise is going to be at 7:56 a.m. We're starting in the single digits already and we are going to boost up into the teens. So here's a walk through that hour by hour planner. By the morning drive time, still below zero across the international border and breezy winds gusting into the 20s. Actual air temperatures across the majority of our region though are going to be in the single digits to low teens above zero. Heading into the lunchtime hour, clouds sticking around, the breeze is sticking around, and temperatures continuing to warm up into the teens. And by the evening drive home, most of us in the low teens across the region, even some mid-teens and upper teens down to the south, near 20 degrees expected down in Sisseton, 17 in Wadena and Alexandria as we're heading home from work today. A snapshot of your hometown forecast this afternoon. Right around peak heating time, I expect 12 degrees up in Roseau, 10 in Langdon, 16 in Detroit Lakes, Thief River Falls and Grand Forks, 17 in Fargo. Heading into Saturday, I do still expect some snow, but we have dropped the first alert weather day headline. It's not looking like a lot of snow, not looking like a ton of wind, at least in our neck of the woods. Beautiful viewer photo today from Pierce County, North Dakota. Thank you so much to Rick for sending that one in. And even though we have dropped the first alert weather day headline for Saturday, we have added one to next Wednesday. This is going to be something we're keeping our eye on through the next several days. Right now it's looking like we could see some potentially heavy snow heading into next Wednesday and some wind to go along with it. So just something to keep an eye on as we go throughout the next several days.
At least this Saturday is looking a little bit better, so that's pretty good, and we're warming up now. Summer.